So good morning everyone. I installed the Lenskart sunglass holder on my KTM Adventure 390 X Plus. So basically I installed the tinted visor on my Straight Trooper, as you have seen my previous video, and the problem with it is again the night vision. So it's not good for the night vision. I generally use this helmet for my day-to-day travel to my office, and generally I get late when I come back from the office. It's already evening and it becomes dark, and the ideal solution for this is to have one clear visor. You have to replace your tinted visor with your clear visor, and again the clear visor is something you can't carry in your backpack day to day, and just for the 20 minutes of ride back to home it becomes tedious to keep it in the bag. So what I did is, and again, so to solve that, what we have to do is basically, you have to keep your clear visor inside the top box. Then you have to install the top box, and for the top box you need the top rack, and just for the 20 minutes of visibility in night time, it becomes a very expensive solution. So what I did is I purchased a night vision glasses with just worth rupees 120. It's about practicality and how much money to put it in. So what I decided to have a solution by myself, because I looked for the solution over the net and I didn't get the perfect solution. So what I did is I have multiple Lenskart boxes. I picked the one, punch a holes inside the boxes, take the zip tie and just tie it to my bike, and it's solved. Because Lenskart boxes are rigid, they are plastic. I know they are plastic, and they are perfect for this. So I just take the box, punch a hole, tied the zip tab, and it worked. And if you want more rigid solution and try by yourself, what you can do, you can purchase a bike mount, which is for the water bottle holder on the bicycle. So you can just purchase that mount. You'll find it with Decathlon. I will put a picture over here somewhere, and you can tie that to you can mount that the holder on your bike. Then you can punch a hole inside your box and again tie to your bike. But I will suggest to go with the Lenskart boxes only. And if you want a more rigid solution, we can ask the Lenskart to design that a sunglass holder for mobile, for the bike, sunglass holder for the bike. And now I don't have to worry about where to put my night vision glasses. You can again use it for your day-to-day the sunglasses. But I think the night vision glasses will be better because they are cheaper one, and you don't have to worry about this it being stolen. Okay, in case you forget to on the bike. So that's it guys, this is my quick jugaad solution for sunglass holder. It's working for me. I'll give a feedback in some days. Thank you for watching video, and if you like such kind of videos where you want a day-to-day economical solution for your bike or anything else, you can watch this channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.